Okay, find the partial sum of the first 20 terms of the series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 and so on and so on and so on. So when you have something like that, you need to decide what type of series it is. So what's happening from one term to the next? Well, if you add on 3 here, well, that's not going to work to there. So if we double, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. That looks a lot better. So if we have something that we're multiplying by each time, so a constant multiplier, which is called a common ratio, as in this number divided by that, we have a geometric series. So geometric series are defined by u1, the first term, in this case 3, and r, the common ratio, as in what's the multiplier, or what's one term divided by the one before it, and that's 2, and it's positive. So we're looking for partial sum, so the sum formula, so Sn equals, there's 2 you can choose from. The one that I'm going to use is this u1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Now the other one, 1 minus r. Now the other one is basically exactly the same, but you've swapped around the r and the 1, or the r to the n and the 1. You effectively just times it by minus 1 over minus 1, which is 1, and you just end up with the other formula. So I'm going to use this, and so I want S20. So if it's S20, well, we know that n equals 20. So S20 equals u1, 3, 1 minus r, 2 to the power 20 over 1 minus 2. So that is going to be quite a large number. I'll tidy it up a little bit. So it's 3 times 1 minus 2 to the 20 equals 3, 1 minus 2 to the 20 over minus 1, which I suppose you could say, well, that if I just divide both of these by minus 1, you end up with 2 to the power 20 minus 3. So I'm certainly not going to work out 2 to the power 20 without a calculator, so I'm just going to type this in. So you end up with equals 3145725. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's 3.15 million. It's quite a large sum. You can see it just shows you how big or how quickly these geometric series grow. So once you've got a common ratio that's greater than 1, these things just go up to the moon really, really quickly.